Wow! Napaka-beautiful naman. Josenes to the maximum. Unstoppable talaga si Nicole Borromeo. Ano masasabi niyo dyan, guys? No? Palagay ko, oo, she is a formidable contender for the crown. At, ako, mukhang maganda ang kalalabasan ng placement or baka corona ang mapunta kay Nicole Borromeo. She is really in it to win it. Nako talagang pag consistent talaga itong girlash na ito, ay there's a possibility na magkakaroon na naman tayo ng queen from the Binibining Pilipinas. No? Napaka sultry na look niya. Very malinis, mabango, and yes, she looks natural, effortless. Okay, napakaganda ng personality. Parang siya yung Reynang nag-e-enjoy lang at never, faking herself, no, in front of the camera. And that's why I think that napakalakas talaga ng laban nito, no? Although there's a lot of candidates na very malakas, like sila Bea Milan, and andyan din sila Tarlac, Marian Arellano, and Allison. May kakaibang, puwersa. Oo, ang panlaban ng Cebu province, no? Palagay ko, she is really there for the win, no? Kaya naman, wag nating sasabihin lagi na she is for the world, no? But she can turn ang laban from the international going to the universe. And look how stunning she is. Very beautiful, very lovely, and I think na, nako, pagka-consistent itong Josenes na reyna natin, ay nako, walang imposible, no? Maaring she can bring home the crown for Cebu province, diba? Sa akin, ayusin niya lang yung kanyang pasarela, and sa makeup, I think she's getting better and better, and I think yung kanyang hairstyle is so beautiful as well. At sana lang yung kanyang mga outfit, no, talagang dapat pang malakasan din, no, kasi she already has the beauty, the personality, and of course alam naman natin pagdating sa kudaan, she is really somewhat na talagang aasahan nyo pagdating sa mga talakan, she is so pretty, napaka-natural ng ganda niya, walang budol, flawless, diba? Yung structure ng mukha niya ay quite natural, talagang this is really a gift, no, for Cebu province, yung kanyang beautiful na talagang natural, diba? Siyempre, tayo mga Pinoy, gusto natin natural ang gandahan. Kaya naman, Nicole Borromeo from Cebu province and probably our Miss Universe Philippines.